AI, in the travel, here we go. Got that AI on the low, taking flights to and fro, booking trips in a snap with a simple chatbot flow. Revolutionizing how we roll. Gonna hop on a plane, feeling so.
Welcome to another episode of the Everything AI in Travel podcast, where we hear from the makers, shapers, and buyers of AI technology in the travel space. Here's your host, Tony Khan.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Everything AI and Travel podcast. And today we've got one of our special episodes in our educational series. So if you are a smaller company and you haven't got started with AI yet, this is your chance. Just follow along, 15 minutes, practical sessions, tool right in front of you. You're in the safe hands of Santiago Rodriguez, who has a PhD, he's an educator. He knows his stuff inside out. He's built tools that you can follow and easily learn from in just 15 minutes. If you're working in a company and they're not taking AI seriously, then your career is in jeopardy. This is a chance for you to get the skills that you need so that at least you are up to date, right? Now, I hope everyone really enjoys this series and gets something really special out of it. Now over to you, Santiago.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the last episode of the series of how to use AI to attract high value visitors and boost your career. And today we're wrapping up with another very special AI that I created within this four-step framework to achieve our goal, attract high value visitors. And this is the image to LinkedIn post creator. And just to recap, as in every chapter, so you know where to find everything. Remember that to get the free AI tools, you just have to go here to santiagor.com/free minus AI minus tools. Santiago R, just like it's written here under me in the image. And then once you get there, you will find this button that says get the 9 free AI tools with a short explanatory video. And then this is the process we're going through, right? Strategy, intelligence, content, and outreach. And during this series of videos, we have gone through these four stages already and review each one of the AI tools for each one of these stages, these phases. And right now we're in the final phase, the outreach and promotion. And we have already reviewed the social media expert, the LinkedIn top voice AI. And today we're reviewing this one, the image to LinkedIn post. And with this final step, you have gone through the tools that you can use, and it's enough for you to create your strategy, collect market intelligence, create your content, and run your campaigns. So let's go into today's AI. And as mentioned, the image to LinkedIn post creator is basically works with a very simple idea. Provide an image, whatever you have, a chart, an infographic, a picture, etc., to create an engaging LinkedIn post with perfect structure. Simply copy and paste a screenshot or upload an image from your computer and quickly share your visual insights or ideas in the largest professional platform. And as always, the AI guides you step by step in the process with one simple initial prompt. Start with step one, and you just relax and start the conversation, the guided conversation that this AI is trained for, right? And once you click that button, start with step number one, this is the process you will go through. The AI will tell you, okay, let's start with step one, input. Please upload or paste the image you want to analyze. That's what AI invites you to do. It could be a chart, a picture, an infographic, a sketch or visual note, or screenshot with data or insights. Notice that you could even scrap or just make a draft on a napkin or a paper with your hand, and then you can take a picture of that and upload it here to create a LinkedIn post based on that. And remember, this AI is trained to be more efficient to write posts for LinkedIn, so you can use, let's say, a chart about any statistic you want to share, about insights you want to share, or an infographic or idea you have, and we'll build a post. The AI will build a post for you to post it on LinkedIn, the biggest professional social network out there, so you can keep building your network, your professional network, or find potential partners to distribute your products. And we will keep here with the example we've used during the whole series, using Germany as the source market and Ecuador as a destination as our use case, right? So the AI gives you these different options and tell you, okay, can you please upload the image now? And as mentioned, we are going to use one of the images that we created in the previous AI we used, which was the LinkedIn Top Voice Creator, which is the other way around, right? With the LinkedIn Top Voice Creator, we first, AI first help us create the written content for the post and then an image based on that content. Here is the other way around. We're going to assume we already have this image and we need AI to create the content for the image in this post. So I said the AI, okay, here is the image. And remember that my goal is to position myself in LinkedIn as an authority in the travel sector and attract German travel professionals and companies interested in partnering to sell my tours to Ecuador and Germany. Once again, although this AI is trained specifically for LinkedIn, if you have an image that you want to share in another social network, it will help you as well, right? As always, the important thing is that you give context to the AI and that you tell AI where are you planning to use this content and for which goal, for which purpose, right? So you could use this AI also for other social media platforms, and it actually would be interesting to explore the results. So I provide the image with some context and AI says, excellent, thank you for uploading the image. I see it clear, it shows two contrasting cases, describe the cases. Now let's move to step number one, writing the LinkedIn post. But before I do, could you please confirm one quick detail? Would you like the tone of the post to be more professional and partnership oriented or more emotional and storytelling? Once you confirm that, we'll proceed. And I say, AI, write the post mixing both tones, professional and storytelling. A nice mix, right? You keep the thing professional, but also use engaging storytelling approach, which is very attractive for the human brain. AI says, perfect. You've got a professional storytelling driven post designed to resonate with German travel professionals and spark both emotion and partnership. So here's your ready to publish viral LinkedIn post, bringing Ecuador close into Germany. What if your travelers could experience the soul of Ecuador, not just visit it? I still remember the first time I saw a German traveler's eyes light up while meeting a local family in the Andes. In that moment, Ecuador stopped being just a destination and became a connection. That's the heart behind bringing Ecuador closer. Here's what we're building together: authentic encounters, tailored itineraries, reliable local partnerships, cultural bridges. Ecuador is ready. Our partners are ready. The only question is, are you ready to help more German travelers discover it? Let's talk about partnership opportunities. Of course, if you want, you can instruct AI to incorporate always in your post and a specific link. It could be a link to a contact page of yours or a link to your portfolio of products. It could be whatever link you want, right? Just like I attach here in every response AI gives you, I always instruct AI, the prompt instruct, to include this link here through which you can contact me if you want. So you can do the same with your prompts in AI, make them remember, always include this link in the answer of the post or the post you build for me. So basically, that's almost everything. And here's you have the next step is perfect. Okay, yeah, this is a nice thing as well. I asked AI, perfect, let's turn your post into a LinkedIn carousel version because that's what AI suggests here. Would you like me to adapt it slightly for a carousel format for higher reach and engagement on LinkedIn? This is nice because AI is aware that carousels are the most engaging or one of the most engaging formats on LinkedIn versus one static image, right? I can make each key takeaway a slide headline. And I said, proceed just to see what it gives me. And AI says, perfect. Let's turn your post into a LinkedIn carousel version, ideal for grabbing attention and boosting engagement. So here's how the carousel version would look. Each bullet represents one slide, and it gives you the structure and the specific content for a carousel based on that single image. This is great. you have a 7 slides carousel. And now AI tells me, would you like me to design the exact text layout for each slide? And in this case, we will just leave it there, but you already have the idea what you can do with this. And remember, something I do a lot with this AI is actually sharing charts, like a bar chart, for example, of with the historical visitation, or a bar chart with the demand of international markets for a specific destination. This is something I do a lot in a company I work with, and we are all the time tracking what Germans, for example, are looking for in Ecuador. And we make a chart with ranking the top 10 activities or top 10 destinations. And I just give the chart to the AI, and the AI will understand the values for each of the different bars in that chart, and will give me the key insights written in a perfect way to share on LinkedIn. It's really powerful and helpful. So once again, thank you very much for being with us. Now you have the complete arsenal of tools to boost your results with the AI, and leverage all the capacity of these tools to attract high value visitors and boost your career all the way from strategy to content to market intelligence to outreach. You just have to access the free AI tools, play with them, and if you want more support, my personal direct support, remember, you can reach out to me by clicking this link that appears on each and ever and each on all of the answers that these AI tools will give you. So I am always one click away from you to learn more about my AI growth coaching program, or just to reach out to me for a free conversation to explore how to use these tools better, or also to learn more about how I can help you with training you or training your team, reaching your goals with your tourism destination or tourism company. Once again, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope we stay in touch. Goodbye.
AIAIO in the travel, here we go. Got that AI on the low, taking flights to and fro, booking trips in a snap with a simple chat.